Okay, so we've already figured out a reasonable domain and range, but now we need to think about an appropriate viewing window. We certainly could adjust this window if we wanted a little bit, just to go a little bit higher, but I think our original window is not that bad. We can see everything we need to see, so I'm just going to recopy the information from the first to over here to the second. So x min -2, x max is 7. You could shorten that a little bit if you wanted to. Definitely a scale factor of 1 or maybe even 1/2. Y min is -10 is fine. Y max, we've got it at 120. You could definitely lower that a little bit because we only need to go up to 31. And then the scale, still leave that at 10. So if we change the initial velocity by 1/2, does the ball go half as high as the first ball? Well, the first ball went up to, remember I had you write that down, 106 feet, and this one only goes up to 31 feet. So definitely less than half. So the answer is no, it's quite a bit less than half. Just because this gets changed by half does not mean the whole equation gets changed by half. Okay, if you want to pause the video, I'd like for you to do number 2, and then I'm going to put my answers up there so that you can check them. So please pause the video, work number 2 completely out on your calculator using these notes, and then unpause to check your answer. Here are the answers to number 2. There's a viewing window approximately. I used -5 to 100 for my x's and used a scale factor of 10. And then my y, I went all the way down to -6,000. And my y max, I did 500. And then I used a scale factor of 500. So you might have slightly different numbers here, but as long as you can see that minimum value and the 2 zeros, your answer is fine. For letter A, how long did it take the sonar to hit the bottom? This is your minimum, and it's 33. How deep was the ocean? Or that's the minimum T value, or X value. And then how deep is the ocean at that spot? This is in meters. It's -5,387 meters. Or you don't have to put negative, but I did. And then C, at what time was the sonar wave? 4,703 meters below sea level. It was twice at 45 seconds and at 21.3. And then here's your domain and range between 0 and 33 and between -5,389 and 0. I counted the sea level as 0, and then this is a negative value.